Officer Peterson, please report to Captain Porter. Officer Peterson, report to Captain Porter.
Listen up. At around 2300, we received multiple 911 calls from the 4U gas station at 5th and Van Drake and Southside. We believe this to be a stick-up robbery with multiple armed suspects. At this current time, we don't know the condition of 4U manager Mudassir Varma or Charlotte Layton, with both calling in during the robbery along with multiple other civilians in the premises, including Charlotte's daughter, Crystal Layton. First responders began locking down on the scene at 2340, containing the area for D Platoon's arrival. An officer on scene reported the sound of gunshots at 2345 within the main building. We can identify all three suspects on the scene: Andre Williams, Zion Pretlow, and Jaden Fletcher. All have their own run-ins with the law for drug-related offenses or violent crimes. Be advised, some or all may be under the influence of methamphetamine and incredibly erratic. This potentially showing their true motives to feed a lethal addiction, even with the stick-up being high risk. We can assume their move was calculated, with DeBanco stopping by before the robbery for regular pickup of cash stored on the premises. DeBanco's employees are known to be at risk during their shifts, with many criminal acts committed against them, such as assault and attempted robberies. Along with the front entrance into the store, there's a second method of entry into the diner side area on the northern side. If both locations aren't viable options, there are two alternate entry points on both sides of the building. One may require a key card used by employees. You should be able to find it in a Knox box on scene. Suspects may have broken away from the main building into the side garage on the eastern side. Exercise caution when moving around the exterior. It is unlikely the suspects are wearing armor. They are armed and have demonstrated their intent to cause harm. We do know at least one of the suspects is carrying a 9mm semi-automatic pistol, as described by a witness. Remember to only use lethal force on what you deem as an imminent threat to you or your element, as well as civilians present at the scene. Plan and coordinate your actions accordingly. And get to work.
What's your emergency?
Hello, my name is Charlotte Layton. I'm at a gas station and need help right now.
Ma'am, are you at the 4U gas station on 5th and Van Drake Southside?
Yes! Please help. I got separated from my daughter, Crystal. They're shooting people.
Okay, I need you to listen to me carefully, okay? Follow my instructions. You need to find a safe place anywhere you can hide, and I need you to stay on the line with me, okay? Officers are already on the way.
Okay. Please don't hang up. Oh, God.
I'm here, ma'am. I need you to stay hidden and quiet for me until officers get there.
Okay. Oh, fuck, I think they're coming.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello! I'm being robbed!
Okay, try to remain calm for me, sir. Where's the robbery taking place?
The 4U gas station on 5th and Van Drake. Southside. No, I'm dying. They started shooting.
Officers are on the way, sir. I need you to get somewhere safe, okay? And if you're able to, please tell me how many people you saw inside.
I'm in the back room. I'm not sure how many. I think...
Sir? Hello, sir?
No!
Are you there?
Hello!
Sir?
No!
I'm with you. Hands up! Drop to your knees!
Talk. Negotiations have fallen apart. Move to secure
Lead
the
to talk.
premises.
We have a
Suspects
civilian
are
down,
highly
responsive.
volatile. This is Talk. Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
Post up and cover the area.
Copy.
It's open. We're good to go.
Open and clear.
Confirmed. I'm going!
Get down, now!
God, oh shit.
Put your hands where I can see them. Police, don't move!
I'm getting down.
Put your hands up!
Looks clear over here, boss.
We're gonna get you out of here.
I thought you were one of them.
Entry team to talk. Civvies ready.
Entry team, this is Talk. Trailers ready.
I ain't doing shit.
Drop the weapon now!
Motherfucker, step
Drop
up.
it! Police, hands up now! Drop the weapon and
You
get
not
down!
taking me, bro.
Drop it now!
You think
Hands
I'm
up,
gonna listen to
asshole,
you?
now! Drop the weapon and put your...
FDP,
Drop the
man.
weapon and get... Hands up now! Drop to your knees!
Do not move.
Death, bro. Shit. You a fucking bitch.
Element to talk. Suspect is in our custody. Requesting transport.
One of your guys getting out of here?
Talk. One down. Talk to lead. Notifying trailers.
Elements to Talk. Got a civilian down. They're down!
Turn around. On me.
Got your back.
Secure him.
Please help me!
Stay quiet and stay low. Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
Don't shoot!
Get down! I want to see hands! Hands up above your head!
Zip him up.
I need you to leave the cuff on.
Good to go.
Sorry. Entry team to Talk. This is my fault. Civilian ready for transport.
Talk to entry team. Send them our way. This is Talk. Keep going.
Lead to talk. You're gonna be okay.
Talk here. Roger that, entry team.
Put your hands up now.
Talk. Civilian is DOA.
Talk to element. Coroner standing by.
Put your fucking hands up!
I'll tell you everything.
We're not here for you.
Let me go. Civilian
I'll tell you everything.
Talk here. Continue mission.
Entry team to talk.
Talk
Notify
reported.
trailers.
Situation
Civilian
is
is
under
DOA.
control. Mission complete.